Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the essential assets into your project: models, textures, and a clean scene. Import the kit files and immediately check scale. Mismatched units will break rig alignment. Once imported, relink textures to the correct material slots and verify UV integrity because good shading depends on it. While you work, create a backup scene save. This lets you revert if an import step corrupts the kit. Now you're ready to lay the first animation tracks. You next align the rig to the kit geometry and lock transforms where needed. Precise positioning avoids joint pop later. If the skeleton differs, retarget or bake animations onto the kit rig so motion maps correctly, because mismatched bones cause distortion. Then add constraints and inverse kinematics for natural motion, and tighten keyframe timing. Use stepped keys for pose blocking, then spline for polishing. Make sure to preview in real time. Interactive playback reveals timing issues early. You finish by polishing curves and removing stray keys. Smoothing tangents improves flow and reduces jitter. Optimize by simplifying heavy key sets and baking final clips to prevent engine interpolation problems. Then export as FBX with embedded media and correct unit settings so the kit behaves in your target app. If issues appear, pop, stretch geometry, or missing motion, check normals, bone weights, and that the animation route is not offset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.